Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Giants Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Giants Bank Login. After you make search, you'll find login to your Giants Bank online banking account on top of your search list. Just click here. Now, you will be redirected to the login portal where you simply have to enter your credentials that includes your username and your password. After hitting username and password, all you have to do is click on the sign in button and you will be signed in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.